Okay, so this is week 11 homework. And I'm going to start with Monday. And it says solve 9,873 divided by 7. And dad, mother, sister, brother, Rover, which stands for divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, repeat. And over here I'm going to do my multiples of 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63. And I'm going to set up my problem. My 7 right here. So I want to see if I can divide. How many times can 7 divide into 9? 1 time. 7 times 1 is 7. And I need to subtract. 9 minus 7 is 2. Bring down the 8. Now we need to repeat. How many times can 7 go into 28? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 7 times 4 is 28. And I subtract. 28 minus 28 is 0. And I'm going to bring down my 7. How many times can 7 go into 7? I know that is 1 time. 7 times 1 is 7. And we're going to subtract. 7 minus 7 is 0. And we're going to bring down our 3. So now you need to see how many times can 7 go into 3? It can't, so it goes in 0 times because 7 times 0 is 0. And when you subtract, you get a 3. So my answer is 1,410, remainder 3. And I'm going to circle that so that I know where it is. The next one says put in order from least to greatest. So I know what I'm going to do is I'm going to first line them up by the decimal point, because when you are comparing decimals, it's always important to line those decimals up. Now I see that 2 of them are longer than the other ones, and that's okay with decimals. If that happens, you can just add a 0. And you're going to start. It says least, so I'm looking for the smallest numbers. So do I have a 1? No. 2? No. 3? Oh, I have a 3 right here, so 0 and 2. And I like marking them out so I know that I've used them already. So do I have a 4? I do. 0 and 456 thousandths. I have a 5, 0 and 567 thousandths. 6, no. 7, 78 hundredths. And then 98 hundredths. The next one says solve, so I'm multiplying $45.50 times 34. I'm going to start in my ones place. 4 times 0 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 5 is 20 again, plus 2 is 22. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 2 is 18. I'm done with that, so I'm going to cross it out and bring down 0 to the hero. 3 times 0 is 3. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 1 is 16. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Now I'm going to add 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 2 plus 5 is 7, 6 plus 8 is 14, 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. And I'm going to look to see how many decimal places I have. I have 1, 2, so I'm going to move it 2 places. 1, 2. So my answer is $1,547. Okay, so my last one's a word problem. It says Jake takes the bus to school. He rides for 4, 5, and 4/10 miles to school in the morning. So I'm going to write 5. He rides the bus to basketball practice after school for 6 and 7/10 miles, and then home for 3 and 2/10 miles. How many miles does Jake ride each day? So they're asking me how much he rides each day. That means I want to know how much does he ride all together. So I'm going to add So when I'm adding with decimals, I always make sure that I line those decimals up. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. So he rides 15 3/10 miles each day.